What is fascism? Fascism is a far-right, authoritarian political ideology that promotes extreme nationalism, dictatorial power, and complete control over society and the economy. Under fascism, the state or leader is considered supreme, and individual freedoms are sacrificed for what is seen as the greater good of the nation. Key features of fascism: dictatorship. Power is held by one leader or small elite group. Extreme nationalism. Emphasis on pride, unity, and superiority of one nation or race. Suppression of opposition. Political dissent, free speech, and press freedom are crushed. Militarism. Focus on strength, discipline, and expansion through military power. Control of society. The government controls education, media, economy, and even culture. Propaganda. Mass media is used to glorify the leader and manipulate public opinion. Historical examples: Benito Mussolini's Italy, 1922–1943. The first fascist regime, promoting total loyalty to the state. Adolf Hitler's Nazi Germany, 1933–1945. Combined fascism with racism, leading to World War II and the Holocaust. Why fascism is dangerous. It destroys democracy and freedom of thought. It promotes violence and discrimination against minorities. It values power over justice and obedience over truth. In simple terms, fascism says, the nation and its leader are everything. Individuals are nothing.